Generation Next Fashion Limited was incorporated in Bangladesh on 19 August 2004 under the Companies Act 1994 with an authorized capital of BDT 500.00 million and a paid-up capital of BDT 47.20 million to carry out business of spinning, weaving and manufacturing of various types of ready-made garments of international standard and design. At present, the paid-up capital of the company is BDT 4,500.00 million and the authorized capital is BDT 5,000.00 million. GNFL is a 100% export-oriented textile and apparel manufacturing company which started its commercial operation on 30th July 2006. The company manufactures composite knit fabrics and various types of ready-made garments and serves as a fully vertical knit fabric and apparel manufacturing setup in Bangladesh, producing approx 1 million kgs of knit fabric per month for various retailers across Europe and North America. Our vertical integration assists us in providing competitive prices, robust development services, and quick turnarounds to achieve significant economies of scale for our esteemed customers.